Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson, and here's the seafood news for the week of May 16th, 2016. It's the 2-week countdown to the 2016 salmon season, but speculative pricing and harvest forecasts can be found everywhere already. To kick things off, the Alaskan Department of Fish and Game announced a 12-hour opening for the Copper River today. Last year's Copper River sockeye salmon harvests were 30% below preseason forecast at 1.58 million fish. This year, 1.62 million sockeye are expected in the area, but small ice pack and small fish size could continue to be issues this year. Many U.S. salmon processors are confident that harvest will correlate closely with preseason estimates. Bristol Bay is expected to be a big run this year. The 46.5 million sockeye salmon expected is 15% greater than the 10-year total run average. Pink salmon is stronger in Alaska on odd-numbered years, so it is no surprise that the forecasted 90 million pinks for Alaska-wide commercial harvest falls short of the 2015 actual catch by over 50%. Several U.S. vendors alluded to a surge in demand in chum salmon in the aftermath of the Chilean Atlantic salmon culling. Coastal algae blooms claim 20 million fish, contributing to an expected 20% decline in Chile's salmon supply this year. Chum salmon demand has been somewhat stagnant with carryover inventories in abundance. This has since picked up, indicating pricing jumps on the horizon. One vendor speculated sockeye prices on the rise due to fishermen seeking more money for their catch, lower harvest forecasts, and low inventory levels heading into the 2016 season. Buyers should expect wild salmon prices to jump during strong fresh demand as gaps are filling in the void of farm salmon. Our crystal ball prediction for IVP trim C sockeye salmon fillets will be in the mid $6 to $7 range US. Across the ocean, European sockeye demand is rising and loads are booking quickly. A few packers in China confirmed strong European interest in sockeye due to a substantial pricing drop. Skinless sockeye portions are down nearly 20% from last year at $7.20 a pound CFR European main port, but it's expected that it will rise when the new season starts. Our Tradex Live offer of the week is for premium quality Sinbad Platinum sockeye salmon fillets. These are number one quality 1 to 3 pound IVP fillets with 7,000 pounds available in Seattle for $6.05 a pound US. Click or tap the icon above to view this offer. Over to Kyla now for a look at the Canadian fishery.
Up in Canada, Fraser River estimates are dismal at best this year. Even after last year's bust, preseason estimates for 2016 are still 36% less than last year at 4.68 million sockeye for the summer run. The Department of Fisheries and Oceans reports continuously reduced spawning productivity and warm water temperatures as contributing to increasingly variable salmon stocks. We spoke with a member of DFO who suggested that it is unlikely for there to be commercial fishing opportunities on Fraser sockeye in 2016. The Johnson Strait is also a gamble if we will see a salmon opening or not. All indicators point towards another disappointing year for salmon in British Columbia as we all play the waiting game during record low levels of snowpack. Back to you, Rob.
Thank you for joining us for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.